LinkedIn Open to Work for international jobs. Get the most out of this feature and let recruiters find you abroad or close to your hometown. What is Open to Work on LinkedIn? It's really a useful feature that came out of the pandemic. It helps you to get discovered for jobs automatically. When your profile is set to Open to Work, you appear more often and more precisely in search results, including internationally. It's a signal to recruiters who search for candidates in the background on LinkedIn. It's used a bit less today, but it's still a powerful tool. This is called active sourcing. Companies don't just wait for applications anymore. They actively search for talent based on skills, locations, and job titles. Especially if you want to move to another country or work internationally, this is a game changer. This feature has many advantages. You can define which job titles you're open to, regions or countries you want to work in, which work models you prefer, remote, hybrid, part-time, etc., whether your current employer should see it or only recruiters. Depending on how you set it up, your profile appears in the recruiter searches and they contact you directly. You just need to activate it and keep it updated. Discretion, invisible mode. No, not everyone has to see the green banner. If you're currently employed and don't want your employer to know, you can choose that only recruiters see the Open to Work tool. You can always choose to make it visible later on. LinkedIn also tries to exclude your current company from seeing it. It's not 100% guaranteed, but usually it works. Of course, we all get less and less recruiter messages, so please use this feature linked up here in order to see a list with hiring managers and recruiters who are looking for you or candidates for specifically open roles worldwide. Use general job titles. LinkedIn gives you predefined job titles to choose from. Recruiters search using standard real-world roles. These come from LinkedIn's internal job database and are directly linked to recruiter search. The more general, the better. Company titles are often too specific. Broader titles match better. Don't underestimate yourself. Select higher roles if that's your goal. You can also select roles from other fields if you want to switch careers. For instance, if you're a UX designer, you can already add senior UX designer. Regions over cities. This is key for international jobs. Many people only enter one city, for example, New York or Berlin, but that limits your chances massively. Flexibility means visibility. There might be opportunities in places you've never considered and roles that don't even require relocation. Only choose cities if they are major global hubs. Never use districts like Brooklyn or Berlin Mitte. Always use the main city. Better options: entire countries, regions like European Union, or states. Add a remote option if possible. If you want to work or travel abroad, include it. Choose as many work options as you can. If you only select one type, for instance freelancers, you limit your reach. The more relevant options you select, the more opportunities you'll see. You can always negotiate later with the recruiters. Adjust skills and positions. LinkedIn works on keywords everywhere. Look at real job postings and use those terms, but only if they fit. The job market today is dynamic, complex, and often frustrating. But with Open to Work, LinkedIn gives you a tool to become proactively visible or invisible instead of just waiting. It's your first step towards an international career. Turn it on as broad as you can and see what happens. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. It's free. Follow my channel for more career insights and come back soon. Together, we will find your professional niche.